You're never too old for Hot Wheels. Let's do this. One car. Okay, hold on. Hold on, Sam. We're gonna do it. Here we go. One car. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Two cars. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Okay, let's try again.
One car.
One car. Oh. Okay, hold on. One car.
Two cars.
Okay, one car.
Stop. Now, we go put the cars.
You can't do it like that. You gotta put them in separately. Okay, go. One car. Here we go. Oh, it exploded. One car. Two cars.
Sorry, Mr. Dog.
Thank you so much. There you go. Yeah. Ooh.
You know why he's doing that?
Yeah, because the track is off right there. I see it. Let's fix the track. It's crazy.